Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're making a delicious Filipino dessert, mango halo halo. In this part, we will go to the market to buy our ingredients. In this part, the first thing we will buy is jackfruit. And here we are heading home to make the mango halo halo. And now those are all our ingredients. In this part, Irish is peeling our mangoes. And here is where Irish peel the avocado. And this moment, I put the mango and avocado together in the cup. And here I just put some sugar. In this part, Paul is already grabbing the ice to put in the cup. And we just put some mango for the design or toppings. And we just add some jackfruit too to be toppings or design. And here we just put some milk to make our mango halo halo more creamy. And that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy our vlog.